Good morning, everyone. Myself Muralidharareddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about working with SSH command and SCP command. Let's see the demo one by one. Okay, now what is the uses of SSH command? SSH is nothing but shell secure. If you want to connect Linux server securely, we can use SSH command. If you remember, basically we are connecting any Linux server through putty, right? Instead of putty, if you want to connect through command line also, we can use SSH command. Let's see the demo. Okay. Currently, I'm in PEM directory. Inside the PEM, I have a file is the PEM file. I'm opening here CMD. Okay. Now I want to connect that particular server. So here I have opened that command from SSH. Then give the -a. -a is nothing but inventory file. Here you have to give that PEM file. Okay, PEM file name is linux.pem. Then you have to give the username. What is the username? In putty we are using connecting EC2-user, right? Because that is Amazon Linux. That is the reason we are connecting through EC2-user. Then @ you have to provide the public IP or private IP. In real time, we'll be use the private IP to connect, but currently for practice purpose, we are connecting through public IP. Okay. Remember, in real time, we'll be connect majorly private IP only because we are connected a client VPN, right? That is the reason we can able to access private also. But in our case, we are connecting using public IP. Okay. Now enter. If you are setting first time, it will ask yes or no option. Just give the yes. If you give the yes, what will happen? It will be connect to the particular server. It will be connect to particular server. If you observe here, you have connected. Got it right? Understand what is the use of SSH-i command? SSH-i, that PEM file. Remember, here you have to provide the PEM file, not PPK file. Then EC2-user @ the public IP. Here EC2-user, the reason is our server is Amazon Linux. That is the reason it is EC2-user. In case if you use the Ubuntu, you have to provide the Ubuntu user. Okay. Now we have connected. Now I'm going to inside root directory if you want. See here, I have connected this particular server. Using this SSH also, we can able to connect. And one more thing, remember, some of the use cases you don't need to provide a PEM file also. You can directly connect. For example, you have copied your public key to that particular servers. You can directly connect like this. SSH example Murali the public or private IP. Example I'm showcasing here. Some of the use cases in real time will be connected directly without providing public IP also. Sorry, PEM file also. The reason is our user is already presented in this particular server. Okay, in Linux server. That is the reason you can directly connect. Example I'm showcasing here, right? This is the example. SSH Murali is a user @ the particular public IP or private IP. In our case, it's public. In real time, it should be private only, majorly. Got it right? I'm not providing here any PEM file. You can directly connect also using user level as well. Okay, fine. What is next? Next one, SCP command. What are the uses of SCP command? SCP is nothing but securely copy. Okay, usually we use the CP command, right? CP command used to copy from one location to another location, right? If you use the SCP command, you can copy from local to remote server. Remote server is nothing but this particular Linux server. I mean, this is the Linux server, right? If you want to copy from your laptop, from laptop is nothing but local to remote, or remote to local also, we can do both. Okay, first thing, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy from remote server to local. So for that, I'm using here, I already open here, right? I'm exit here. Currently I'm in EC2-user. In this particular EC2-user, currently I'm in home directory EC2-user. Okay, here I'm creating one file. You can copy anything, file, directory, tar file, zip file, anything. For example, here I'm copying Murali file. Okay, I'm creating Murali. This particular Murali file, I want to copy to my local. My local means inside the PEM folder. Not only PEM folder, you can copy anywhere your wish. For example, I'm taking this PEM directory or PEM folder. Okay, so what I'm doing here, if you want to copy, just go to, I already copied it. I'm taking another one, duplicate. Yeah, currently not this one. I'm opening another one here. From here only, CMD, enter. It will be open another tab. Now I'm copying this whatever is there in I have opened two tabs. Okay, one tab is server, remote server. Second tab is your local. Okay. Now what I'm doing here I'm using scp -i. -i you have to provide that PEM file. Remember, you have to provide that PEM file. What is the PEM file? This PEM file related to this server. Okay, that PEM file you have to provide here. Okay, now we can see here like this. You will be understand more. Okay, now here scp -i linux PEM file. Then you have to provide your username. What is the username? EC-user. Then you have to provide public IP. Go to here, copy this public IP and paste here. Okay. Then colon. You have to provide that path where your file is available in remote. Your file is available in inside the home EC-user. That particular Murali, right? You have to provide here. Okay, I'm expanding it. Is good. Home EC2-user / the file is Murali. Remember, sorry, home is HOME. Okay, home directory, EC2-user directory. Inside the EC2-user directory, we have created one file. That file I want to copy from remote to local. This is remote path. This is home EC2-user. This is the remote path. Now I'm copying from remote to local. Then space where you want to copy. If I give dot, what will happen? Currently we have a PEM directory, right? PEM folder, right? Inside the PEM folder, this Murali file will be copied. In case if you want to give specific path, you can give it. Currently I'm giving current directory. That is the reason I gave dot. Dot means current directory. Currently, if you observe here, we don't have any Murali file, right? When I run this command, what will happen? This Murali file, it is available remote. The remote file also will be copied to local. Just enter. Let's see. Remember scp secure copy -i the particular PEM file, and you have to give the username and the particular IP, then path. Then I'm giving here dot. If you observe here, Murali file is copied, 100% is completed. Now if you go and check here, the file is came, right? What is that? You can do like this. Now what I'm going to do, currently I gave dot. Okay, fine, well and good. I have given dot. Instead of that one, I want to store somewhere. Inside the PEM folder, I'm creating one more folder. The folder name is M1. Okay. I want to copy this Murali file to M1. How you can do? Same command, scp -i linux the PEM file. The PEM file is available in PEM directory. That is the reason it is available here. Same directory. EC2-user. Okay. @ the public IP, this path, entire path. Okay. And then you have to give the instead of dot, I'm giving M1/ because M1 folder is available inside the PEM folder, right? That is the reason M1/ means it will be whatever you are copying this one, it will be copied to M1 folder, inside the M1 folder. Now I'm giving enter. What will happen? Before, if you observe here, inside M1, we don't have that any file. But once we done this one, copy is completed, right? Now if you observe here, Murali file is came inside M1 folder. Got it, right? How to copy from remote to local. This is the process we will be followed to copy. Okay. Next one is in this particular M1 folder, I'm creating one file. Okay. Example, new sample. I'm creating one sample. Okay. The extension should be the extension file extension is sample.txt. Okay. Now I want to copy this local sample to remote server. What is the remote server? This one, this path, right? Inside same location, inside home directory EC2-user, I want to copy. How you can do? So what I'm doing here, just scp -i, okay, linux.pem. Then you have to give the local file name. What is the local file name? Sample.txt, right? The sample.txt is available in PEM folder. That is the reason it is available here only. Okay. Next, you have to give the where you want to copy in remote server. Same. I want to copy EC2-user until this here. Okay. This is the user and this is the public IP, and then I'm giving that inside home directory EC2-user. Remember here you have to give the colon. Okay. And what will happen? This sample file, it will be copied to this particular path. Let me see. Okay, enter. Now this sample file will be copied to here. Let me verify here also. Currently we have, if you observe here, sample text is came. The reason is we have copied from local to remote. That is the reason it is successfully 100% completed. This whatever is sample.txt is copied to home directory EC2-user. I hope understand, right? This is a very important. Okay, we will be sometimes we will be copy from remote to local, local to remote. Okay, we will be used. And one more thing, here also same. Here we are using PEM file. Some use cases we won't use PEM file also, directly we can run it because our PEM file public key is available in the particular Linux server. Okay, then you don't require to pass your PEM file. Okay, you can directly give like this. Example, from local to remote, scp sample.txt, then you can give that path, this one. Okay, but here instead of EC2-user, we'll give our username. Example, our username is Murali. Okay, what will happen? This sample text, it will be copied to this inside the home directory EC2-user. Might be you will get doubt. We are not passing the PEM file. How it will be? Because our laptop public key will be placed to this particular server. Okay, some of the project will be follow like this also. We'll be store our public key to that particular Linux server. Then you can directly connect without a PEM file. Some use cases will be follow. Okay, got it right? Any questions? This is a very important interview level as well as practice. Doing in real time. So be careful, practice well, understand more about this one. Try 1 or 2 times, multiple times. You will be get more idea. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.